We all feel lazy sometimes. Like humans, animals are also lazy. So in today's video, we are going to learn about some of the most laziest animals in the world. Let's take a look. First in the list, we have an animal who is famous for its sleeping habits. Yes, it's the sloth. Sloths spend up to 15 to 20 hours sleeping per day. Sloths mainly eat leaves, and which is a low energy diet and doesn't contain much nutrient. The long duration of their sleep is the result of their low energy diet and lack of physical activity. They spend most of their lives in trees and move like the pace of a snail and spend most of the time hanging upside down from the branches. Next up we have the cuckoo bird. Cuckoo bird is famous for their lazy egg-laying behavior and often known as a lazy parent. They lay their eggs in the nest of other bird species. The host bird take care and hatch the babies of cuckoo birds like their own. Due to this type of behavior, cuckoo bird doesn't find any need to build their own nest or hatch their own eggs or to take care of their own young ones. They take advantage of other birds' hard work. Due to this type of behavior, they have achieved a certain level of laziness.
Next up we have pandas. Everybody loves pandas due to their cute appearance. But do you know they are incredibly lazy? These giants have very low energy level as they mainly feed on bamboo, which has very low nutrition. So, to save their energy and minimize their physical exertion, they are adapted in this way. They sleep for about 10 to 16 hours per day. They spend most of their time in chewing bamboo or lounging around. This cute furball-like animal is a hamster. Do you know they don't like daylight? They are mostly active at night. But at times they can adapt to their surrounding if necessary. In the wild, hamsters spend most of their time underground to avoid the predators, only moving above ground to hunt for seeds and fruit. Hamsters spend about 14 hours per day asleep, but when they are awake, they are very active and mission-oriented. Another sleeping creature in the list is the giant hippos, who spend up to 16 hours per day snoozing while submerged in water. Their favorite meal is grass, which makes for a nice and simple lifestyle. And do you know, this animal can even sleep underwater for up to half an hour. Next one we have opossum, who is very famous for its ability to sleep in unusual positions, like hanging from the trees by their tails or curling into tight balls. They have an ability to sleep for 18 to 20 hours per day. And these weird positions allowed them to conserve their body heat and energy while resting. They have very low metabolic rate and their bodies require longer periods of rest to restore the energy levels. They are nocturnal animals, so during daytime they sleep for longer period and restore their energy.
Koalas are not only extremely cute, but they are also very smart. They feed on eucalyptus leaves, which are not high in nutrients. So, to save their energy, they need lot of rest. They know what their body needs. They listen to their body and dive into a deep sleep for an average of 22 hours a day. Isn't it strange? Next in the list, we have owl monkeys. Owl monkeys are the true night owls of the animal kingdoms. These small creatures have adapted to a strictly nocturnal lifestyle, making them the laziest during the daytime. During daytime, they can be seen resting in tree branches, sleeping in the dense foliage, or even in tree hollows. They have a unique ability to sleep for long period of times. They spend approximately 15 hours each day sleeping, which leaves only 9 hours for their nighttime activities. which help them to reduce their energy expenditure during the day. Next up we have the pythons. Pythons are slow-moving animals. They sleep for up to 18 hours a day and get tired very quickly. When digesting food, which happens once a week, when they feed, they sleep more and before shedding their skin, which is a very energy demanding process. They may sleep for a week to prepare for it. We know that many shark species need to keep swimming to breathe. You wouldn't think them to be lazy. But do you know, nurse shark is quite a bit different from them. They don't migrate like many species and spend most of their time lying motionless on the seabed. This activity made possible by the fact they can actively pump water over their gills. So, not needing them to eat much to sustain their lifestyle. They spend much of the day sleeping and hunt at night. So far we have seen the top 10 most laziest animals in the world, but their laziness helped them to survive and help them to maintain their lifestyle. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.